Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an English 4-line worksheet in Microsoft Word. So this is something that you can just print when you are ready, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's head over to the table here and let's go ahead and create 1 by 5, and then let's click this one right here, and under borders let's go ahead and make some changes here. So as you can see, something is happening, but what we want to do is choose no border, and then we're going to head over to the top of the table. So the first one is going to be here, and let's change this one to top border, and then scroll down, top border, scroll down, top border again, scroll down once again, and then top border. So now you have 4, right? So what you want to do from this point forward is you want to copy this one, right? And then you're gonna paste it. So another thing is, when you're gonna paste it, just go ahead and click this one right here. Click this and then paste again. You can go ahead and click set default as paste, or you can go ahead and click this once again. There you go. So yeah, that's basically how you're gonna do it. So just keep on pasting the same thing and making changes so that you have this one, and then you can just save this one so that next time you use it or you want to print it for some learning, you can have it already in your PC. So that is how you're going to make an English 4-line worksheet in Microsoft Word.